Hi everyone, this is Bramesh from BrameshTechAnalysis.com, and in this video we'll discuss about the rally which we have seen in the G Entertainment stock today. And these are the levels which I've shared it across on 11:18 a.m. today morning, and it did all the targets during the course of the day. But I've used the term GAN price and time squaring, so it was a perfect move today. How we can capture these kind of moves, I'll explain this how using both price and time cycles. So let me quickly go. So this is the rally which we have seen in G today. So probably if we can get an entry somewhere here and we can write this whole move, it will be quite beneficial for us and what are the next levels. So all those things we'll discuss. So first, let me discuss about two things. First is the GAN 1 year cycle and using the GAN, GAN numbers to find these important dates. So now you see here, the rally in this stock started all the way from 9th of September, and 10th was a holiday, and from 13th and today it was a big move. What I have to do is I have to just go across 1 year before, and if you can see here on 10th September, it was a very important day for G. Why? Because it has made a top of 228, and after that the stock almost saw a big correction. This is an important time cycle date. So to 10 September was an important time cycle date using a simple methodologies of GAN 1 year cycle. Similarly, we have an important time cycle date on 3rd August. So let's see 10th August we have already seen 9th was a 10th was a holidays. From 9th the big rally has started, and let's quickly see even on 3rd August, so this was 3rd August. 4th August we made a top, and from there a big jump, I mean a big correction happened in the stock. So this was the first indication that we can see a good move in the stock. Similarly, uh, if you can see here, this stock has made a bottom at 19th October. 19th October the low was 173.50. On 20th it was 173. So 20th October was an important date. And if you use the square of 19, which is 324, you add 324 to 20th October. Let's see what date we get. So let me quickly open one Excel sheet and I'll quickly showcase it to you. Let me open an Excel here. So what we have to do is we have to find an important date and add square numbers. I mean square numbers, cube numbers, they are very common in nature. So this is a fresh Excel, and let me quickly add. So I'm putting the date 20th October 2020, and I want to add 324 days into this. So what will be the final sum? I'm doing a simple addition, this date plus 324, which is the square of, and we get a date 9th October 2021. And what is 324? 324 is the square of 18. So 18 cross 18 is 324. And you add to this, you get a date 9th October. So 9th October we are getting as per our normal calculations. 10th October as per GAN cycles. And you see both the times were meeting together. And from there, this rally has started. Now, what I mean by price and time squaring. So on this date, this is an important date. So around this date, if I get an important price level also, which can give me a bigger target. So I'm going down here. As you can see here on this day, G made a low of 134. And if I apply this is an automated my support and resistance zone. So I touched it here, and you can see here the level was 185.06. On 13th, Z has closed at 186. So it was closing well above our level 185. So this was a good risk to reward trade. And today, anyways, it opened gap up. I did the target of 243. Next, what I'm looking at is 309, which should be achieved within this month only. And then let's see how the market goes behave it. So once it closes about 260, which it has closed today, this is an important level again. So 243. So traders who are long, keep a stop loss of 243 and wait for a target of 309. Now, this is about a very simple technique how you can use both, GAN, price and time squaring to find important levels. Now, important time cycle for G is another important date is 24th September 2021. This is again important date. You can watch out for this level. This is again based on my GAN studies. So this is how you can, with these simple techniques, you can find important level. A trade, I mean, technically speaking, I never knew that G can go up 40%, but yes, I had a target of 243, and about 243 we are holding for a position of 309. So use these simple techniques to find important levels for the stock and time cycles for the stock of your choice. Any stock which is having two time cycles coming using two different technique, that becomes a very lethal trade, and it combined with price, it becomes an important price and time squaring. And that's about it. So practice this, and if you have any questions, do let me know. Thank you. Thank you very much.